Hello dear students, today we are going to do some of the questions from the differentiation. So in that first question is we are going to differentiate sine square x with respect to e to the power cos x. So this is we need to do differentiation of sine square x with respect to whatever is with respect to, like normally what we used to do, dx means with respect to x we are differentiating normally. So in this case we are differentiating with respect to e to the power cos x. In this case, in the previous questions we have done u, we are supposing let u is equals to sine square x and v is equals to e to the power cos x. We will be going to calculate du on dx. This function could be differentiated easily with respect to x only. So it will be du on dx, that is 2 sin x, and the differentiation of sin x will be cos x. Now dv on dx is equals to e to power x, differentiation will be e to the power x, that is cos x. Now ddx of cos x, and the differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Now what we need to calculate, this is du upon dv. So to calculate du upon dv will be equals to du on dx divided by dv on dx. Values we are going to put, so it will be du on dx will be 2 sin x cos x upon minus e to the power cos x into sin x. So what I find, sin x to sin x cancel, answer will be minus 2 cos x upon e to the power cos x. So this will be the answer for the question. Now we are going to do a question. This is x under root 1 plus y under root 1 plus x. This is one of the very important question. So to do this, what we are doing, x under root 1 plus y can be written as minus y under root 1 plus x. Now differentiation with square root is little tough, so what I am doing, will be going to make square on both the sides. So squaring, it will become x square 1 plus y equals to y square 1 plus x. With square root will get cancelled. Now when I am taking x square with the bracket, it will become x square plus x square y equals to y square plus y square x. Now x square minus y square, this time I have taken on this side and this is going on the other side, will be y square x minus x square y. This could be written as x minus y, x plus y. Over here, if I am taking xy common, then it will be coming y minus x. So I am taking common minus xy. When I will be taking minus xy common, what it will become? X minus y. Otherwise, in the next step, we need to take minus sign common. So in the first step itself, I have done the same. Now what I could write, y plus x equals to minus xy. I am taking y terms on one side and other terms on the other side. So y plus xy. This point you need to notice, equals to minus x. Y, if I am taking common, 1 plus x equals to minus x. So y is equals to minus x upon 1 plus x. Now differentiation. So its differentiation will be dy on dx equals to 1 plus x. Differentiation of x will be 1 minus x. Differentiation of this 0 plus 1 upon 1 plus x2 whole square. This could be written as 1 plus x minus x upon 1 plus x2 whole square. So it will be coming minus 1 upon 1 plus x2 whole square is the required answer.